You're not broke because you're unlucky. You're broke because of a mindset you didn't even choose. Let me show you what it is and how to flip it. Welcome to Empowered, your thought power zone. Today, we're breaking down a mindset trap that's quietly stealing opportunities, money, and progress from millions of people every day. Shall we? The first thing we'd talk about is the scarcity loop. Most people think there's not enough, so they fight to take. That mindset leads to stress, fear, and hoarding. Scarcity loop is a psychological and behavioral cycle where people constantly feel like there's not enough, whether it's money, time, opportunities, or resources. This mindset keeps them stuck in survival mode and limits their growth and success. Truth is, wealth comes from creating, not competing. Example: two people start with nothing. One creates value, the other waits for a miracle. Scarcity makes you beg. Abundance makes you build. The second thing is the waiting game. The poor mindset always says, "I'll do it when." Waiting for the perfect time is equal to staying broke. Do you know why? There's no perfect time. Your current state is your perfect time. The rich mindset, "I start where I am with what I've got." That is the spirit. Rome wasn't built in a day, so you start from somewhere and continue to somewhere. The third is, identity matters. If you see yourself as poor, your actions will reflect that. Haven't you seen people who have little but carry themselves well, and that alone attracts well to them? Wealth starts with identity. I am someone who produces value. Rewire how you see you. To end with, I will say, your thoughts are the soil. Your results are the harvest. Want a rich life? Start by uprooting the poor mindset. Subscribe for more raw mindset upgrades like this. This is Empowered, and you just leveled up.